Assalamu alaikum. Hey, let's make a drawstring bag for my husband. Start off, we're going to need 4 pieces of fabric, 2 strings, 36 inches long each, and all of your little must-have to make your sewing easy. Get 1.5 yard of fabric and measure 15 inches across and 20 inches down. Cut it out, and this should give you 4 rectangle pieces. One of the short sides, pick one side, fold it in about 1/2 inch and iron it down. Do the exact same thing to the other 3 pieces. From the fold, mark 1.5 inches all the way out and then fold it in from that line. Iron it down and do the exact same thing to the other 3. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and sew right along here. Now, only grabbing 2 pieces, leave the other 2 aside. Grab one of the strings and a safety pin and you're going to fit it through one side. Once you're done with that, you're going to continue feeding it through the other side, connecting the 2 pieces together. Now, get the other string and you're going to start feeding it from this opposite side right here. You're gonna start not from this side but this side right here. So this way, when you are done, you should have 2 side strings, one on the left and one on the right. So when you pull it together, the little opening will close. You should have something that looks like this. Now, to secure the strings in place, you're gonna start with one side. You're going to take both of them as I'm holding them like this and place them in the corner. Pin them in place. Do the same thing to the other side. Starting where the fold ends right here, you're going to sew all the way around. When you come to the strings right here, double, triple stitch so you can make sure it is super secure because the ropes are going to be tugged a lot. Now, if you do not want a double layer or lining, you are actually done. You have your drawstring bag. The other 2 pieces, you can use it to make a second bag. But in this tutorial, we are lining it and making it layered. So let's go ahead and continue. Grab your extra 2 pieces that are left and sew right along here all the way around, leaving this top part that we folded in the beginning open. Once that's done, we're going to take it and feed it to the bag. When you are fitting it in, make sure it is inside out so pretty sides are not facing each other. Push it all the way in, and what you're going to do is you're going to grab this end part, you're going to fold it in about 1/2 inch or 1 inch. You're going to pin it all the way around, and then you're going to sew it all the way around. There you go, you're done. You have made your lining. Now don't go nowhere because we're going to secure the strings. To do that, you're just going to put your hand in the back like so, pushing your finger all the way in like so. And you know these strings right here, just put them and grab them with your index and thumb and pull it out like this. Wiggle it out so you can go ahead and have it nice and flat. Do the same thing to the other side, pin them in place and sew right along here. Once you're done, that's it. Now you're done. Go ahead and flip it right side out and you're done. You have your drawstring bag. Putting a double layer or a lining makes it look nice, professional, and gives it a clean finish. And that's it, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notifications so you can get notified next time.